Hello and welcome to this training course on using secure envelopes via Gmail with secure exchanges. Today we're going to show you how to use secure envelopes to retrieve confidential information from recipients who don't use secure exchanges. In this video, we'll cover both the process on the sender side, where you'll learn how to set up and send a secure envelope, and on the recipient side, where we'll explain how your contacts can reply and drop off sensitive information securely, without the need for a secure exchanges license. Start by opening your Gmail and writing a new message. From the Gmail toolbar, you can access our secure envelope options. Secure Exchanges offers two types of envelope to suit different needs. Standard envelope. This envelope is ideal for retrieving sensitive information such as social security numbers, confidential documents, contracts, or other sensitive files. Credit card envelope, designed specifically to securely collect credit card numbers. The envelope also automatically verifies the validity of card numbers. To use either a standard envelope or a credit card envelope, simply select the language and envelope for your correspondence from the drop-down list in the Gmail toolbar. The envelope you select will be inserted where your cursor is in the message. Once the envelope has been inserted, simply click Send. What the recipient sees. When your recipient receives the email, they'll see a button for Confidential Documents Vault. By clicking on it, they'll be redirected to a secure space to deposit their files. The recipient can drag and drop their files, or click on Attach to add documents from their device. The size of uploaded files depends on the limit authorized by your license. A field is available for adding a message to accompany the documents. Once the files have been added and the message written, the recipient clicks on Send, and the documents are securely transmitted. What the sender receives. As the sender, you will receive email notification that documents have been deposited in the envelope. To view or download the confidential documents, you'll need to click on the Read Message button. Once the message has been viewed, the documents will be automatically destroyed after the default 14-day expiry date, or when the maximum number of times the message has been opened has been reached. It's 3 times by default for an envelope return. It couldn't be simpler. Secure Exchanges makes cybersecurity easy for everyone. See our other videos to learn more.